Yuma budgeti ĩrĩa nene mũno ya trilioni 4.24 na ya mbere kuuma Mbadi athukirwo gĩturwa kĩa MINISTA wa KIGINA rungu rwa thirikari ya broad-based Kanya karia konekire kurumira mirurungano ya GENZ mwaka muthiru ĩrĩa yacũngĩrĩirie ikuũ cia mbeũ njĩthĩ na namba nene.
In the remembrance of our fellow Kenyans who lost their most precious lives during this protest, allow me, Mr. Speaker, that we observe a minute of silence in their remembrance.
Will you be upstanding?
Na ota muthomi mugi Mbadi ndanariganirwo ni uria gwathire niguo ambatirio ngathi ya MINISTA na uguo ria bunge ya bũrũri kũgĩa na ihinda rĩa gũkira o ndagĩka ĩmwe niguo gũtĩa arĩa makuire.
Mr. Speaker, no life should be lost and no property should be destroyed again. The message from Kenyans was clear. Since I took office at the National Treasury and Economic Planning, I assured Kenyans that we shall strive to reduce tax burden. In this respect, the Finance Bill of 2025 has neither proposed new taxes nor raised any tax rates. Instead, we have chosen to enhance tax revenue collection through administrative reforms by simplifying and streamlining tax laws to make them clearer and easier to implement, thereby improving taxpayer compliance.
Oho NIAGATHIRIIRIE URUTITHANIA wa WIRA wa THIRIKARI njarie ya broad-based agitambũra ũtongoria wa President Ruto na Raila uria augĩte nĩguo cangĩire ũkinyanĩria wa bajeti ĩno na iria kũringana nake ndĩrongerera mũrigo kũrĩ Wanjikũ.
The journey to a prosperous Kenya calls for leadership and collective commitment of all Kenyans. Last year, the Orange Democratic Movement joined hands with the United Democratic Alliance under Kenya Kwanza to form a broad-based government. This unity has brought renewed peace and stability to Kenya and fostered inclusive development beyond tribal lines. I sincerely thank Baba, Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila and the entire Orange Democratic Movement fraternity for their invaluable mentorship as well as trusting me with party leadership positions in my political journey.
Mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila thengia amwe anyiti mbaru wake gwitigithukania na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza akoretwo akiuga Ruto niwe wamwitiria ataaramu mamuteithĩrĩrie gutongoria na uguo nikio me thĩinĩ wa thirikari-inĩ yake.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Maina Kĩhumo.